Hey, what's going on, Scotty? Okay. Here we got a 1997.
Hey,
yeah, tell them what's going on here.
97 7.3 Power Stroke.
We're doing
Getting the glow plugs done.
doing the glow plugs in it. Show them with the fuel hose and shit.
Yeah, so I got our fuel hose on here. You know the socket's gonna always bottom out on the lifter. So we get our fuel line there to get the rest of the stud out. You see? Kind of like that. And they twist out of there. And to put them back in, you just get the same thing. Put it back in so now your socket can fit. Tighten her down, good to go. On to the next one.
97 Ford Power Stroke. Just got it back from safety. It's in pretty good shape. It's a dump truck. It's going to be used for landscaping. It's got about a 12-foot dumper on it. And the thing runs and drives beautiful. Goes down the road like a brand new truck. And the only reason why I'm saying brand new truck is I got one right there too. And this one's a 97 and it goes down the road the exact same for a quarter of the price. It's XL, just an XL with roll-up windows. It's got a newer radio in it. Nice Kenwood radio. Got that for 35 bucks from Canadian Tire. I couldn't beat it. But yeah, hopefully we get it all done. Got some chrome simulator caps for it. For the wheels. Show you them over here. The shop's a bit of a mess, but we're getting stuff done. Some brand new stainless steel simulator caps. 75 bucks. Can't beat it.
Wow, what a deal.
Well, till next time, take her easy, buddy.